Hey guys, this is Mr. Grice for Algebra 1, Section 3.3 Notes for Ms. Carranza and Mr. Grice's Algebra 1 class. Today we're going to be talking about how to solve multi-step linear equations. Now, if you are asked to solve an equation, you must follow SADMAP, and we talked about SADMAP was the reverse order of operations. So when we're doing this, the things we need to check is we need to check to see if you can distribute or combine like terms first. Then we're going to cancel addition or subtraction, and then cancel multiplication or division. Okay, so let's start by going through some problems. We'll start with number 1. I'm going to draw my line down the middle. Now, I cannot distribute or combine, so I don't have to worry about that. The next thing I'm going to do is cancel addition or subtraction. And I can cancel addition or cancel subtraction with addition. You're left with 3x. I'm just going to bring that down. Negative 11 plus 5 gives us negative 6. Okay, and now I can divide by 3. Cancel those out. X equals negative 2. Okay, and if we want to check to see if we got our answer right, I'm just going to plug in our answer to where the x was. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Do click, click, and you get negative 11 equals negative 11. So we're happy. All right, now I'm just going to be doing a couple of these. So we're going to slide over here. Okay, draw the line down the middle. Can we distribute or combine? The answer is no. So we're going to move on to cancel addition or subtraction. Negative 7 minus 3 is negative 10. We have division right here, so to cancel division, I'm going to multiply. And you get x equals 20. Okay, if you have a calculator and you need to use it, use it. Otherwise, you should be able to do most of this stuff in your head. All right, number 5. I'm going to draw the line down the middle. Now, first thing to do is to combine, which we can't. I'm going to cancel addition or subtraction, and I actually see addition here, which you guys might be like, what are you talking about, Mr. Grice? This 3 is a positive 3. So to get rid of it, I need to subtract 3 to both sides. And that negative 5 stays with the x, okay? Remember that that's multiplication right there, so to get rid of multiplication, I need to divide both sides by negative 5, and we get negative 3 equals x. All right, let's move on to 7. I'm going to draw my line down the middle. I see subtraction, so to get rid of subtraction, I add negative 1/5 x equals 15. And now we have a fraction right here, so I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. Negative 5 times 1. I can't remember. I don't have my multiplication chart, so I'm just going to multiply these out. And get 75, and that is a negative 75. Let's make that actually look like a 7. All right, number 9. Draw the line down the middle. Okay, same thing as in problem number 5. Right here, that's a positive 5, so to subtract, subtract it, and you get negative 18 equals negative 6 over 7x. Okay, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. So those cancel out. So we got negative 18 over 1 times negative 7 over 6. Now I can reduce right here, and we get 21 over 1. And since we are multiplying two negatives, that turns to a positive 21. All right, let's look at 11. Draw the line down the middle. Can we combine like terms? The answer is yes. Negative 9 plus 6 gives us negative 3x minus 5 equals 16. Cancel addition or subtraction first. Okay, and now I'm going to cancel multiplication with division. And we get x equals negative 7. Now, you can check any one of these just by plugging in, okay? Negative 9 times 7, oh, that's a negative 7, minus 5, plus 6 times negative 7 equals 16. So 63 minus 5 plus negative 42 equals 16. 63 minus 5 gives us 58 plus negative 42 equals 16. And we are happy. I'm glad that I can still do all this math without using a calculator. All right, let's flip it over. Okay, now we are adding the distributing to this. Negative 3 times 2x gives us negative 6x. Negative 3 times negative 1 gives us positive 3. Okay. Inverse operations right there. We're left with negative 6x equals negative 24. Divide by negative 6. X equals 4. All right, number 5. Drawing my line. Have to distribute. That negative 4 stays the same. You get 2 out of 3x. Now off to the side, you have to do 2 over 3 times 6 over 1, which gives you 12 over 3, which reduces to 4. Inverse operations. Negative 4 plus 4 gives you 0. We're not done because we have to multiply by the reciprocal. Those guys cancel, and you're left with 0 equals x. All right, number 17. Need to distribute first. Get 2x minus 8 plus 3x. That negative 18 stays over there. Combine your like terms. You get negative 18 equals 5x minus 8. Canceling subtraction with addition. Negative 10 equals 5x. Divide by 5. and you get -2 equals x. Okay, and there's the homework. Now, if you want to go through and check your other answers that you worked on, you can look at the answer key. Otherwise, that's it for Algebra 1, Chapter 3.3 Notes. Thanks for watching, guys.